Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this little elf aid, and I'll show you what this is. It's like a perfect little keychain gift to give to somebody. And empty box here. It's a cute little box. It's super easy to mail if you want to mail it to somebody or something because it's nice and small. It would even fit in a little gift card. Just in a gift card envelope. But look at this. It's like two little keys. Oops, well, one's on the floor. But here we go. So it's got one Phillips head, one regular end, and then it's got the little, areas here. It's got two different sizes. Be probably like size good for like a bike or something. And then it's got the little keychain that goes on it as well. So it says the little elf aid right there on the side of it. So kind of cool little sets here, and definitely good to have. I'm always looking for a Phillips head and a flat head, just little ones to have around. So now I'm going to be able to put these on the keychain here and have them with me all the time instead of having to always be scrambling for stuff. Just sometimes you just want to put batteries in a compartment or something small. It's just nice to have these around. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.